people, welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood, जहां मैं आपको दूंगी all the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. This is me Sagarika Chhetri and I'm here to also remind you to go check out the Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, just sit back, relax and enjoy the top headlines of the day. No wedding bells for Ranbir Alia just yet. Ranveer Singh and Rohit Shetty to team up for Angur remake. Salman ropes in South Korean stunt director for Radhe. Siddharth Gauhar and Hina grab all the eyeballs on new season of reality show. Kareena, Anushka, Natasha and Amrita. Check out these gorgeous mommies and mommies to be. नीतू सिंह डांस प्रैक्टिस कर रही है, but she's not gearing up to dance in Ranbir's Baraat anytime soon. Ranbir and Alia, who are dating each other, were rumored to be planning their big day in December this year. But now a family member has said कि दिलवाले अगले साल तक at least दुल्हनियां नहीं ले जाएंगे. There have been speculations for a long time now that Ranbir and Alia were all set to walk down the aisle, and after many high-profile link-ups and breakups, Ranbir finally Alia के साथ settle down होने के लिए ready है. Ranbir and Alia started dating each other after spending a lot of time together on the sets of their film Brahmastra. While Alia has always maintained that she had a big crush on Ranbir, looks like Cupid का arrow सही निशाने पे लग गया, as now they are a very much in love couple. Alia Bhatt has been a part of the Kapoor family, their functions, and also was a pillar of strength and support when Ranbir's father Rishi Kapoor passed away this year in April. Alia was spotted at the Kapoor Raksha Bandhan celebrations and was spotted at Ranbir's sister's Ridhima's 40th birthday party celebrations and Ranbir's birthday celebrations where only immediate family members were present. Rishi ji के last rites के दौरान भी Alia was seen offering Neetu ji and Ranbir support, and she even shared a post after Rishi ji's demise recalling the special moments she spent with him. It's no surprise then that Ranbir and Alia's fans got super excited about a possible wedding coming up जब नीतू जी का एक वीडियो वायरल हुआ जिसमें वो डांस करती हुई नजर आई. Many felt कि शायद नीतू जी अपने बेटे रणबीर और आलिया के संगीत में स्टेज पर धूम मचाने के लिए डांस रिहर्सल्स कर रही है. But it turns out that she was just dancing क्योंकि उन्हें डांस करने में बहुत मजा आता है. And there are no wedding bells ringing for now. इस साल रणबीर और आलिया दोनों ही अपने वर्क कमिटमेंट्स के साथ बिजी है, and with Rishi ji passing away in April this year, the family is not planning the big fat Kapoor Bhatt wedding just yet. कपूर फैमिली के एक मेंबर ने भी इस बात को क्लैरिफाई किया है कि इस साल कोई शादी नहीं होगी. And in fact, there will be no plans till April next year. There will be no wedding this year and may not be next year either. Rishi Kapoor passed away in April, so there's absolutely no question of a wedding until the mid of 2021. लेकिन the family member added कि अगर रणबीर और आलिया शादी करने के लिए बहुत ही ईगर हो तो नीतू जी को इस बात से कोई एतराज नहीं है, unless they express a desire to make it legal anytime soon, in which case Ranbir's mom will have no objection to the wedding. But neither Ranbir Kapoor nor Alia Bhatt is currently thinking of marriage. Alia has Gangubai Kathiawadi, RRR and Brahmastra, which will complete filming this year and hopefully release by early next year, while Ranbir is working on Shamshera and Brahmastra before beginning work on other projects. इतने बिजी कपल के पास शायद ही शादी के बारे में सोचने का टाइम होगा. We are sure that whenever the two decide to take the plunge, they will make sure to share the news with their fans. Ranveer Singh is all set to collaborate with director Rohit Shetty again. लेकिन इस बार वो डायलॉग बाजी और गाड़ियों को हवा में उड़ाना शायद स्किप कर देंगे. Because we hear they are all set to adapt one of the most popular comic films of all time, Angur. There were rumors that after a successful collaboration with Ranveer Singh on Simba, which made huge profits at the box office, Rohit Shetty Ranveer के साथ एक और फिल्म बनाना चाहते थे. But this time not from the cop universe, but he wanted to make an out-and-out comedy film considering Ranveer's perfect comic timing. And now we hear that indeed the two are collaborating, and this Rohit version of a cult classic is a film to watch out for. वैसे सिम्बा के बाद रोहित had directed Ranveer for his cameo appearance in the film Suryavanshi. उस फिल्म के हीरो अक्षय कुमार है. Ranveer, who has proven his bankability as a star in a mainstream masala solo hero film with Simba, अब रोहित के साथ फिर एक साथ काम करने के लिए रेडी है. धमाकेदार खबर ये है कि इस बार रणवीर पहली बार डबल रोल में नजर आएंगे. We hear now कि जिस फिल्म के बारे में सिर्फ विस्पर्स में बातें हो रही थी, वो in fact एक official adaptation है of the cult classic film Angur, which was directed by the maestro Gulzar Saab himself. The movie, which is still in the development stage, will see Rohit recreate the magic of the Sanjeev Kumar and Devan Verma starrer in his own unique style. वैसे गुलजार साहब और रोहित शेट्टी के स्टाइल्स ऑफ मेकिंग फिल्म या राइटिंग बहुत ही अलग है, to say the least. But hopefully Rohit will be able to do justice to this hilarious story. According to a source, Rohit Shetty has been trying to make Angur remake for a while now. And it is finally happening now with Ranveer Singh stepping into Sanjeev Kumar's shoes. Rohit had planned to revisit Angur in 2015 with Shah Rukh Khan in the lead. However, things didn't materialize and the two collaborated on Dilwale. Rohit, who has directed Golmaal Again, Simba and Suryavanshi between 2015 and now, got some much needed time due to the lockdown और इस unexpected break का फायदा उठाकर उन्होंने अंगूर के adaptation के लिए अपनी स्क्रिप्ट कंप्लीट कर ली. सुनने में आया है that Rohit is planning to mount the film on a grand scale, and though it is a Gulzar Saab की फिल्म का adaptation, उसमें रोहित शेट्टी के मसाले का तड़का जरूर लगेगा. इससे पहले भी रोहित एक कल्ट क्लासिक फिल्म गोलमाल का अडेप्टेशन बोल बच्चन बना चुके हैं, which got immense popularity at the box office. While it's far more massy and loud than the original Golmaal, Rohit managed to retain the comic elements like twin brothers, a mustache obsession, and a case of mistaken identity. Bol Bachchan was essentially inspired by Golmaal, rather a commercial take on Golmaal. The same way, even Angur is more of an adaptation in present time. And Rohit is just retaining the basic premise of how two identical twins lead to confusion. Ranveer is reportedly very excited about playing a double role for the first time in his career. And with Rohit at the helm, it is bound to be a complete family entertainer and a laugh riot. What do Kareena Kapoor Khan, Anushka Sharma and Amrita Rao have in common? Any guesses? Well, in सारी beautiful ladies को मिली है lockdown में good news. They are either pregnant or in Natasha's case have recently had a baby and are enjoying being a new mommy. पैंडेमिक और लॉकडाउन किसी के लिए भी आसान नहीं रहा है, पर इन कुछ महीनों में कुछ अच्छी खबरें भी सुनने को मिली है. Couples having their low-key weddings, families getting reunited, and of course, families announcing that they're growing bigger with pitter-patter of little feats. Of course, we've heard about how Kareena Kapoor Khan is going to be a mommy for the second time. Virat and Anushka are becoming parents for the first time and expecting a baby. And now, actor Amrita Rao, who is married to RJ Anmol, are also going to be parents very soon. Kareena and Saif announced that they are expecting their second child in March next year, while Anushka and Virat shared the khushkhabri that a third little member is joining their family in January next year with an adorable photograph on social media. Natasha, who was seen in the film Zero and has done dance numbers in other films, is married to Hardik Pandya. The two welcomed a little boy in July this year and are enjoying being new parents. Now joining the Lockdown Parenthood Club are actor Amrita Rao and husband RJ Anmol. The couple are all set to welcome a bundle of joy into their lives and we couldn't be happier for them. वैसे तो अमृता और अनमोल अपनी प्राइवेट लाइफ को हमेशा लो प्रोफाइल रखते हैं और उनकी शादी भी एक प्राइवेट फंक्शन था विदाउट एनी शोशा। लुक्स लाइक अपनी प्रेगनेंसी की न्यूज को भी अमृता अंडर रैप्स रखना चाहती थी, बट द कपल वाज स्पॉटेड आउटसाइड अ क्लिनिक इन मुंबई। अमृता की बेबी बम्प ने किया एक बहुत स्पेशल अपीयरेंस as the couple stood together looking blissfully happy with each other and the little one who is already bringing them so much joy. While Kareena and Saif already have 3-year-old Taimur जो अब बड़े भैया बनेंगे, अनुष्का और अमृता की ये पहली प्रेगनेंसीज है and the first time is always special. Amrita and Anmol were dating each other for a long time before they got married 4 years ago. One of the couple's friends has shared कि अमृता और अनमोल को लॉकडाउन शुरू होने के कुछ दिन पहले ही पता चला कि they were going to be parents. And while they have kept this development away from the press so far, वो इस good news से बहुत खुश है. A source added, she is loving this phase of her life. While people may not be aware of her pregnancy, those close to the couple are in the know. They conceived just before the lockdown and this phase came as a blessing in disguise as the couple could spend quality time together. Anmol and she are both private people and they like to keep things low-key. We wish all the mamas and papas to be the very best of luck. Well, we'd like to wish the couples all the very best and hope that they have a happy, healthy and cute little babies who will bring them lots and lots of happiness. Salman is pulling out all the stops with Radhe. अपनी नई फिल्म राधे योर मोस्ट वांटेड भाई के लिए सलमान has decided to drop the देसी मुक्केबाजी for some विदेशी स्टंटबाजी। सलमान अपने फैंस को सरप्राइज और डिलाइट करना चाहते हैं by presenting himself in a completely new action avatar and performing stylized fight sequences never seen before in a Salman Khan film. Salman shared the good news of him being back on set with his fans and followers on social media. Radhe Your Most Wanted Bhai should have released this year on Eid. लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ द पैंडेमिक एंड द लॉकडाउन फिल्म टाइम पर कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाई एंड ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कुछ सालों में कि सलमान खान की फिल्म ईद पर रिलीज नहीं हो पाई। बट लुक्स लाइक 7 महीनों के बाद ऑलमोस्ट सलमान खान इज बैक इन एक्शन एंड ऑल सेट टू कंप्लीट द फिल्म एंड द पेंडिंग शूट्स विद ऑल द सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस इन प्लेस. The star shared a picture of him facing away from the camera, but his interesting jacket and the lights and atmosphere around him got everyone excited. Salman के अपडेट के बाद the makers of Radhe also shared a behind-the-scenes video कि किस तरह वो कास्ट और क्रू को सेफ रखने की सारी कोशिशें कर रहे हैं. The video shared glimpses of some behind-the-scenes action where we spotted Jaggu Dada or Jackie Shroff talking about the efforts being taken by the entire cast and crew. Salman and Disha Patni were also seen rehearsing and filming a pending song sequence, जहां Salman Khan commented rather candidly कि 6.5 महीने के बाद उन्हें स्टेप्स करने में थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है। Salman, who is well recognized as Chulbul Pandey, wants to present a different cop avatar of himself with Radhe. He apparently wants to create a character who is stylish and suave, और शायद इसीलिए उन्होंने इंडियन एक्शन डायरेक्टर की जगह साउथ कोरिया के बहुत ही फेमस मार्शल आर्ट स्टार और स्टंटमैन क्वान ताई हो को हायर किया। Kwon Tae-ho created some super stylized and out-of-the-box action sequences for fight scenes involving Salman and actor Randeep Hooda. According to a source, the scene sees Salman's character Radhe take on the Goan mafia and its overlord played by Randeep. Director Prabhu Deva and Salman wanted it to be slick and fast-paced and agreed that Kwon Tae-ho would be the best person for the job. He stayed in the country for a month as they shot the scene at a Bandra studio. Sources के मुताबिक फिल्म का ये crucial fight sequence बहुत ही atmospheric way में shoot किया गया है, with dim lights and smoke adding to the vibe of the scene. In fact, Tae-ho also makes a special appearance in the fight sequence as one of the baddies attacking Salman. Well, we are eager to see Salman in this South Korean action avatar, and hopefully with theatres being allowed to open from this month, हमें जल्द ही राधे big screen पर देखने का मौका मिलेगा। Siddharth Shukla, Gauhar Khan और हीना खान have a new mantra in life. बैठे बैठे क्या करे, करना है कुछ काम, शुरू करो झगड़े, ड्रामा और फ्लर्टिंग लेके TRPs का नाम। After taking multiple safety precautions, one of the most popular reality shows is back on air. The format sees well-recognized faces locked up in spacious homes with no contact with the outside world. Currently in its 14th season, वक्त के साथ साथ ये शो और भी पॉपुलैरिटी पा रहा है because of its sensational content. The three actors have returned to the sets of a popular reality show as seniors after becoming very popular in the previous seasons when they were contestants. Hosted by Salman Khan, this show is notorious for dramatic showdowns, ऐतिहासिक meltdowns and stormy romances between celebrity contestants. Looks like when it comes to television and grabbing audiences' eyeballs, television actors are proving that experience makes all the difference. Siddharth Shukla, Hina Khan and Gauhar Khan, who have all been contestants on the reality show hosted by Salman Khan before, अपने पिछले सीजन्स के एक्सपीरियंस का खूब फायदा उठा रहे हैं। तीनों एक दूसरे के साथ काफी घुल मिल रहे हैं और सिद्धार्थ अपने दोनों सीनियर हाउसमेट्स के साथ फ्लर्ट करने का कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ रहे हैं। The handsome hunk who won last year's season has been bonding rather well with Hina Khan, who was the runner-up in 2018. While she was undoubtedly the most controversial and dramatic contestant, Shilpa Shinde ने उन्हें हरा दिया था. But it looks like Hina is having the last laugh, क्योंकि आज जब शो में ड्रामा और रेटिंग्स की जरूरत है, मेकर्स ने हीना को ही दोबारा बुलाया है। Hina and Siddharth seem to be getting along like a house on fire, and right from day one, लोग उनकी केमिस्ट्री को नोटिस कर रहे हैं। In fact, फैंस अब उन्हें सोशल मीडिया पे सिड हीना कह के बुला रहे हैं। While Hina is in a committed relationship, Siddharth is rumored to be dating Shehnaz Gill, जिनके साथ पिछले सीजन उनका काफी दोस्ताना बढ़ा था। Recently, audiences were surprised to see कि Hina Siddharth को head massage दे रही थी, while the other contestants were engaged in a discussion. Looks like अपने 2 हफ्ते के स्टिंट का खूब फायदा उठा रहे हैं सिद्धार्थ। जहां हीना उन्हें दे रही है हेड मसाज, वहीं द एक्टर वाज आल्सो सीन फ्लर्टिंग विद गौहर खान, जिनके हाथों से बनी चाय पी के सिद्धार्थ काफी खुश हो गए। सिद्धार्थ ने गौहर से ये तक कह दिया कि आप चाय लाके देंगी, खाना लाके देंगी तो मुझे आपसे प्यार हो जाएगा फिर। Well, quite typical of an Indian man to fall for a woman who pampers him, don't you think? लेकिन सिद्धार्थ और गौहर के इस फ्लर्टेशन को हीना ने भी नोटिस किया, who didn't lose the opportunity to let Siddharth know that Gauhar is not falling for that trap, क्योंकि वो उन्हें इतना भाव नहीं देने वाली। We won't be surprised if their 2-week stint is extended for the whole season, ताकि controversies और cattiness का माहौल यूं ही बना रहे। प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में वक्त हो गया है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, बट स्टे ट्यून्ड cause I'll be back in a short while. अनुष्का शर्मा फंस गई है एक अजीब सिचुएशन में। The actor, who is happily married to Indian cricket captain Virat Kohli and is expecting their first child, suddenly started showing up on internet as the wife of a cricketer from Afghanistan, Rashid Khan. This blooper led to the internet being flooded with memes and jokes about this mix-up. Anushka and Virat got married almost 3 years ago, and currently Anushka is in Dubai expecting a baby and supporting her husband Virat, who's playing a cricket tournament which features players from all around the world. Anushka, who was very busy producing films and web series on OTT platforms, suddenly found herself trending for all the wrong reasons. While it was a simple mistake and was clarified soon, looks like this search engine mistake will not be forgotten by netizens for a long time. विराट and अनुष्का ने इटली में एक प्राइवेट सेरेमनी में शादी की थी and have been happily married ever since. The two regularly set couple goals with the way they support each other and the seemingly simple and down-to-earth personalities they have. Anushka, who was last seen in Zero opposite Shah Rukh Khan, has taken a break from acting to focus on the content being produced by her in-house production company, which she runs with her brother. Pandemic और lockdown की वजह से she has also finally been able to spend lots of quality time with her husband Virat Kohli, who has a very busy schedule otherwise traveling around the world playing cricket.
Hey, Kohli! चौका मारना, चौका! क्या कर रहा है? Hey, Kohli! चौका मार!
The couple have been in Dubai for the last several weeks with Virat playing in a cricket tournament and Anushka cheering him on, and it was only a few weeks ago that they revealed they were expecting their first child together. But now it seems that a popular search engine has declared Anushka Sharma to be the wife of another cricketer, Rashid Khan, who is playing the same tournament as Virat. Yes, you heard that right. अगर राशिद खान का नाम सर्च इंजन में एंटर किया जाए तो रिजल्ट्स दिखाते हैं कि उनकी बीवी और कोई नहीं, अनुष्का शर्मा है। पर आखिर ये मिक्सअप हुआ कैसे? It seems that during a social media interaction, Rashid Khan was asked who was his favorite Bollywood actress, to which he had replied that he was a huge fan of Anushka Sharma and Preity Zinta. What followed were multiple headlines sharing his answers, and in सब न्यूज स्टोरीज के बीच में किसी तरह अनुष्का ऑनलाइन राशिद की वाइफ बन गई. This glitch gave netizens and meme lovers the perfect excuse to create multiple memes and jokes about the fact that Anushka was being mentioned as Rashid's wife. Well, these were some of the funniest posts that were put up online. Also, another warning to all of us कि इंटरनेट पे आई हर बात का विश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए. And that some news online can be fake and a faux pas. Sorry, Anushka, Rashid and Virat. We hope this mix-up gets sorted out very soon. at Bollywood Today. Go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on Bollywood round the clock. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow, same time, same place. And until next time, it's goodbye.